Hey, loan officers and mortgage brokers, are you thinking about starting your own mortgage brokerage? Or maybe you've already started a brokerage and it's running, but you want to take it to the next level? Well, here's the thing. Being a successful mortgage broker isn't just about originating loans. It's about mastering all the other areas that make your business run smoothly and help it grow. And it's also all those areas that nobody teaches us. So today I want to walk you through what I really wish someone had taught me, what you need to learn and get educated on to become an expert mortgage broker owner. So let's get started. If you're new here, I'm Megan, a 20-year veteran in the mortgage broker industry and CEO of Collab Brands, where we help loan officers and mortgage brokers build a machine. So I've learned over the years that if you want to build a successful mortgage brokerage, you have to learn all these things outside of originating loans. Sure, knowing how to originate loans is definitely valuable and it keeps the money flowing in the door in the beginning. But if you want to own a business, a brokerage that is more than just a job that you run, something that gives you financial freedom and time freedom and just goes beyond being a loan officer, you need to be a master of compliance, licensing, finances, marketing, human resources, building a team, holding people accountable, just all those other things. So today I'm going to walk you through each of the areas of the business so that you can be the kind of mortgage broker owner who's prepared to be successful. I want to make sure that by the end of this video, you're going to see how being a great owner is about more than closing deals. It's about running a business that thrives because it will allow you to do so many other things. When I started my brokerage, I was an origination machine. My team ran on autopilot, referrals came in day in, and we got in and out, but I had no idea what my employment agreements were supposed to say or my comp agreements in our industry. And it cost me dearly over the years not having those things in line. Now, I knew which lender to go to if I had a home style loan or a DSCR, but I didn't know the impact on my company for pricing a loan below the 2.4 basis points we were setting as a goal for our company. And it's also why I talk to brokers day in and day out, like the one I talked to today, who's been in business for 5 years, but they're losing money even though they're closing loans because their team is not organized, doesn't have systems, and they're just not running efficiently. It's exhausting. I want to see more local small business owners like myself in the mortgage industry thrive and be successful. And it's why I started this channel, and it's why we started the collab companies that we have that support you. And eventually, we created systems and a roadmap to follow, and it all started here. And it's this area I call mortgage broker impact areas. They're the areas of our business that we need to have basic knowledge on. You can have other people do it, but you have to understand them and you have to understand the responsibilities that are involved so that you can hand them off to other people and have your business run smoothly. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start to walk you through each of these areas. And it's important to know that there can be some differences in impact areas that you choose for your business based on what your goal is and your preferences. But there are some of these impact areas that you have to have as a mortgage company. So let's jump in and start talking through mortgage impact areas. So area number one is business structure and company licensing. So this area, we're starting with the basics, right? It's setting up your business and getting licensed. So when you're a mortgage broker owner, it's not just about your personal license anymore. You need to understand how to set up a business, a legal entity, an LLC, and get your brokerage, the company, its own NMLS license. This is what allows you to legally operate and do business in your state. Setting up the right LLC is what will have you either paying much more or much less in taxes at the end of the year. So I have always gotten consultants and paid advisors to make sure I do this correctly. And licensing, which is part of this, is the next category. And it's not the most glamorous part of the job, but it's foundational. And trust me, knowing how to navigate the licensing process in your state and for your business is crucial, especially if you want to expand into other states, which I didn't even know you could do until like 7 or 8 years ago. There's company licensing, there's state licensing, there's branch licensing, there's individual licensing, and then each state has its own requirements. Now, area number 2 is compliance, and it's a make or break being a mortgage broker owner. So you have to keep up with the regulations and requirements. It's your job to create and maintain a compliance program that keeps your company and your loan officers in check. This is also the area that I see most mortgage brokers getting wrong when I meet with them and I go over what their processes and procedures are. Yes, you need the manuals, absolutely, but you also have assessments required throughout the year, education and classes that you need to take, and you have to be looking through files that close after they are done. Area number 3 is knowing how to read your financials and the finances in your company, how to make smart decisions, like when it's time to hire a new loan officer or invest in a new software. How does it impact your company? Plus, understanding your numbers is key when you need financing to expand your business. It's not just about making money, it's about managing it wisely so that you're prepared and you build something of value that you can pass on to someone else and sell it down the road. The 4th area is HR, or building a team. So let's talk about how to build a strong team and some of the things that people are going to expect. So you may be great at originating loans like I was, but as the owner, your focus shifts to leading and supporting your team. You need to learn how to hire the right loan officers, processors, support staff who fit the culture that you're building, and they want to learn and grow and become like you. So you have to take the time to do that. This means creating an effective onboarding process to help new hires have the right documents for their employee folders, and offering ongoing training to keep everyone up to date and thriving and doing well. So when you invest in your team, they'll invest in your business. And this will help you grow faster, serve clients better, plus a happy team means happy clients. Area number 5 is marketing and lead generation. So let's face it, clients aren't just going to fall in your lap for the most part. You can be the most amazing loan officer in your state, but it doesn't matter if no one knows about you. And as the owner, you need to know how to market, not just for yourself, but for the people in your company, for your brokerage, generate leads. This includes everything from creating content that attracts clients to building a strong social media presence and running targeted ads. And one great piece of content can turn into multiple leads on different platforms. And then managing these clients in a CRM system that helps you keep track of the leads and people that your company is servicing. Remember, being that great broker means being more than just a salesperson. You're a relationship builder and you're a marketer too. Area 6 is choosing the right lenders and vendors. A lot of people, when they jump in as a broker, they think they need to sign up with tons of banks or find the best rates. But you need to be strategic about the lenders and the vendors that you work with so you don't spend too much money or waste your time. And it's not just about finding the best interest rate. It's about building relationships with wholesale lenders who can offer you the product flexibility and support that you're going to need to close deals that you didn't have available to you when you were working at a single lender. You need to have reliable vendors, like the marketing tools that you're going to use or your CRMs that connect with your loan systems. And these help your operations run smoothly and have much happier people on your team when they can work out of a system that's automated and less complicated. Area 7 is your client relationships, your customer experience. And a lot of loan officers are dialed in on this. It's creating that client experience where they don't just remember you for the loan that you closed with them. They remember how easy or how not stressful the process was. Your job is to make it a smooth process from application to closing, and then to stay in touch with them afterwards to continue to be that trusted advisor. Some of the ways that we've done this is we've used technology to automate client updates, set clear expectations from day one, and don't underestimate the power of simple follow-ups or thank you notes after closing. It's the little touches that turn one-time clients into lifelong advocates of your business. So there you have it. Those are 7 key areas that every mortgage broker owner needs to learn and master. I actually have 10 areas in my company, but these are the great starting points. Remember, being great at originating loans, once again, it's only one piece of the puzzle. To build a successful brokerage, you need to be a leader, a marketer, a financial manager, and so much more. You're on an educational journey, and it's why we built Collab Brands. We built our companies to help LOs and mortgage brokers build a real business with systems and processes. If you'd like to connect with our team of experts to learn about our programs that can help you, make sure to click the link that we've given you in the description. Otherwise, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you get more of our videos. And if you have questions about running your brokerage, drop them in the comments. I would love to help, and I don't know what your questions are unless you leave them there. It helps me know that I'm on the right track, and it helps also give me ideas for any upcoming content I'm going to continue to create. Thanks for watching, and let's go and take your mortgage business to the next level together. See you in the next video.